Sorry if the wind's a little noisy. Hi guys, it's Vanillaandvinegar. Today I'm out here with Luciana to give you 10 tips on how to figure out what to buy an age YouTuber, buy for yourself, or spend your own Christmas money on. She has hair in her face. The first tip I have is to make this is like 6 tips, I think. Yeah. The first tip I have is to make sure the clothing piece you're buying looks good on camera. This is really hard with like small dots, knits, or like big knits or stripes. See the skirt? Looks kind of weird in the pictures. I'll insert one where it looks weird. And it just doesn't look as good as like the shirt does. It makes it look blurry. And it doesn't look very good in pictures or videos. And if you're someone who mostly films with your dolls and doesn't play with them anymore like I do, like me, then definitely something you have to worry about. The second tip is to think about if it would go with anything else in your wardrobe. I once made a pair of flowered doll pants and a pair of plaid pants. They didn't really go with anything, so I ended up having to find a sweater. I think I actually bought a sweater to go with them, and it looked really cute in that outfit, but without the sweater, I don't think I would have had anything for her to wear with the pants. The second tip is to kind of just make sure you like it. Make sure it's a color that would look good on all of your dolls. If you have mostly redheads, maybe stay away from bright pink clothes because it doesn't look as great on dolls. Don't get something just because it's on sale. You're going to regret it. I guess that's another tip. So make sure the outfit looks good on your doll. I've been looking at a lot of Kiara Bailey's collection, and I've picked out a doll each outfit would look good on before I think about actually buying it. I forgot what number this is, so we're just going to keep going. The next tip I have is if it's on sale, don't feel pressure to buy it. Or if you're in an AG store, they're having a sale or something and you have a coupon, don't feel pressure to, I have to buy this because I might need it. But you don't know if you're going to need it. And my last tip, I don't know if this is 6, I hope it's 6, is if you find yourself not using a piece of doll clothing, or if it no longer looks good on the dolls you have, like if you sold some dolls, it doesn't look good on them, or it's just not a piece you like, maybe it's a bit outdated in fashion, or you just don't like the colors anymore, then try to find a friend or sell it on a Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Then you have lots of money you can buy other doll clothing stuff. When I did my big haul a while back, that was all money that I sold from other doll clothing. And I even sold a few pieces that I didn't want from that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really did. I hope you liked the new setup. I'll try to film more videos out here, but if it snows or gets too cold, I probably won't be able to. Sorry about that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, subscribe. At the time of filming this, I am 1 subscriber away from 80 subscribers, and it would mean the world to me if you could get me to 100 subscribers sometime. No pressure, because like if you've already subscribed, I don't know what you're going to do. But yeah, thank you.